Those runners might be 12 inches long. That's pretty damn long. All right, 2 weeks, no mowing, vacation. What does healthy Bermuda look like when you let it go? It looks tall, lengthy. We got some beautiful runners over there on the sidewalk that you can see. I think some of those are six inches long, probably. Yeah, a little over 6 inches long. The this hill area right here was all that sod that we put in. You can see there's still a couple areas in there that are still struggling a little bit with the heat. We've had upper 90s, hundreds, and so that's what that looks like. Over here, if you look at the area, domination strip looks pretty good. My neighbor's lid blew off her little thing there and killed my grass a little bit, but we'll get that all fixed up. So let's take a look at the backyard. All right, here's a look inside the pool area, and you can see we've got a lot of grass here that needs to be cut. Definitely dealing with some weeds. Got some spurge, got some nutsedge, and it's tall. So let's take a quick peek at the very backyard and we'll talk about how we're going to tackle it. All right, so here's a quick peek at the back, which unfortunately my sprinkler system turned on, and now, hey Russell John, how are you, bud? You can see all of the Bermuda gone to seed, and we've got quite the mess. It has really taken over. When you let it go, this is when Bermuda is probably the nastiest. You can see there's a bunch of wood chips in there, but I don't know where they are. I'm going to be digging them out, and you can see this is the area that I was dealing with the Bermuda mite, so I'm hoping that this will look pretty good when we cut it down. We treated it. I've got a little bit of Dallas grass that's showing in here, so that's lovely. I knew it was there. I knew I'd have to deal with it this fall. So, but that's the state of the yard. So what are we gonna do? Well, I'm gonna mow. I'm gonna hit it with the rotary mower, bag, knock it down as much as I can, and then what I'll do is I'll probably come back with the real mower this evening and scalp it and get it back down to the height of cut that I want to maintain. I'm probably gonna bring it to about an inch or just a little over an inch. I was cutting it about 5/8. Just because we've got a lot of hot weather in the forecast, and I really want to make sure that the lawn has the best opportunity to thrive in this heat through August. So we'll set the cameras up, record the action, and show you a little bit of after. So stay tuned. See you in the lawn. All right, so I've got the first mowing and some edging done, and just started cutting it at the highest cut on the cowl trimmer. So here's a quick look on. So this was knocked down from the original, and then you can see the difference there and height of cut. And I'll be taking it down one more notch, but just trying to get this first cut done on it. So looks pretty good. not really scalping it as bad as I thought it would be. Although I am getting a little bit of yellowing, so we will keep you guys up to date on the progress of getting back to mowing low in the lawn here. And just to show you where I'm cutting on the cow trimmer, we got it all the way up to that notch there. It's taking a lot of grass. One downside of it, likes to build up on that one side. Alright, so this is cut at the highest cut, and looks pretty good. I might actually go one notch down, or I might even decide just to stay here. I got some nice stripe action going on. Sun's in the perfect angle, but as you can see, we took it down from almost 5 inches probably down to probably 1 7/8 inches. So got some pickup still to do over there, kill off that Bermuda from the edger, but all in all, looks pretty good, guys. 2 weeks on the road, you never know what you're going to come back to, and I'll take those results. Stay tuned.